Hi, welcome to learning about how to generate a report in the backend. In Vive, you can do this several ways, such as through a job or through a process. This video will demonstrate how an application button can be created to call a function and generate a report in the backend. The report can then be delivered to a user's downloads folder. Once your report is created, you will need to create two functions. One function will generate the report in the backend and one will download the report. The action ID for my report is star phone extensions. We will need this in one of our functions. We'll head to the code editor to add these functions. We'll call the first function download report. To make it quicker, I'll just copy my code in. In the function, we need to use Vive's inbuilt function execute action and pass in the report action ID to create the report in the backend. When the report has finished generating, we attach it to the result using Vive's inbuilt function setData as a MIME type of data URL. Now we can save this function. Now we'll add our client-side function and call this save report. Once again, I'll copy the code in. Using Vive's download data URL function, we pass in the result returned from the download report function and give it a name to save it as in the downloads folder. We can now save this function. A sample of these code blocks are available in our online documentation. With our function saved, all we need to do is add our button and attach the functions. So we'll head back to the Applications view, select our record and click the Application Buttons tab. From here we can add our button. We'll give it a name and select to have the button available in the top menu bar. Optionally, you can add an icon. Now all we need to do is go to the Events page to attach our functions. In the Do Press field, select Download Report. Please note this needs to be attached to the Do Press event as we are generating the report in the back end. The Do events are server-side events. In the OnComplete field, select Save Report. The OnComplete event will now have access to the report, which can then be downloaded to a user's folder. In your application, when you click the button, the Do Press event will execute first to generate the report, and then the OnComplete event will execute to download the report.